F12 bellowing. How's it guys, and welcome to another episode of the Supercar Diaries. Today we're actually getting to drive the very first F12 N-Largo in the UAE. So come and check this out. Wow, this interior is bat crazy. All right, so here we go. Still working with the key. Let's put her into race. Proper loud, proper loud. Holy moly. My gosh, what a rebel this is. Holy moly. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome officially to the interior of the F12 N-Largo. I've never ever driven an F12 N-Largo. We're going to do the startup again. You want to turn the key the rest of the way. It doesn't. It's just to start the ignition up, and then we've got the engine. Woo! Massakinnis! This thing is loud and raucous. The way we love it. The way we love it. Let's go. No, don't close on me now. Alright. Out in Dubai, baby. First time driving in this city. Am I even on the right side of the road? Yes. So, just in case you guys are wondering, thank you so much to Tim, the owner of this car, who has kindly lent me his sunglasses because I forgot mine. So we're out here in Dubai. We're going to be driving a couple of cars from a couple of clients. We're going to be checking out a couple of the insane auto shops that they've got over here. Car showrooms, like you can't freaking believe it. Very exciting that now we're here and we get to check everything out. Just pardon the sunglasses, guys, but it's so incredibly bright. Is it okay if I wear these? Let's see, it'll even look a bit cooler. I'm gonna just try and keep the revs up. If you can't go fast, then at least make it sound fast. 40. Oh gosh, there goes that I'm going to try and be as asozial and under 40 k's an hour as possible. Junge, what did you try and pull there in the road? Yush, like this is worse than driving in South Africa. No, it's not, because in South Africa you got potholes eating mankind alive. So yeah, let's talk about this car. It's just so special driving an F12. There's something about an F12, I tell you, it really gets me going. It's the fact that it's not the perfection of the A12, which is kind of like what makes the A12 in comparison to this a little bit less attractive, I suppose. It's just not as raw. They've fixed everything. They've made everything even much, much better than with the F12. The F12 is raw. That's what I feel makes this car so special. Driving this in the N-Largo version is probably like one of the biggest honors that you can have. Josh hanging out of the car with a camera while I'm trying to not get arrested. I look all hunky with these sunglasses. Yeah, let's not go too crazy just yet. Anyways. So we're doing so many things at the same time now. I'm doing the talk with you guys in the car. I'm trying to not get arrested in Dubai. And I'm trying to drive in such a way that the guys can do car to car and it looks kind of attractive. What is this coming up in the back? Mitsubishi! When you get to do silly things like this, you're gonna like pinch yourself, like, are you actually even serious? Driving into Dubai! Oh gosh! Okay, Cupcake, let me come in here. Thanks, buddy. And then I'm gonna try and keep the revs up so you guys just hear that V12 bellowing. She's got quite a bit of feistiness in it, doesn't she? A little camera, okay. So just enjoy it, guys. Just enjoy. Coming up. I can't talk at the same time doing this crazy crap over here. You know, it's like giving, you know, the traffic. Oh my word. Oh, this is fun. This is honestly, there are worse jobs in the world than this, to be honest with you. They really are. Yeah, big shout out to Tim for letting us drive his car. letting me drive. I'm like, Tim, you got to drive with me. I don't know where the heck I'm going. No, you take the car. I'm like, okay, why are you giving me the car? Do you have an extra pair of sunglasses? Because it's awfully bright out here. So, we're on our way to the Autodome, or Autodrome, where apparently there's a bit of space and we can walk around this car and see what it's like. Feels a little bit like driving in South Africa, to be honest with you. It's like people don't, keep right past left. They just do whatever you want. But somehow it all works. Oh, mother. Oh yeah. Yeah? Did you like that? I love, what is it? Did they just put tiles in here? The surface is so slippery. Come on man, you're in race mode. You just be a little bit more playful. Oh, Maurice just flying into the bumps with the camera car. It's like, dude, I'm driving. There we go. There we go. As long as I'm behind them, nothing can happen, right? Nothing can happen. I can't go faster than they can. And the owners sitting in their cars are really need to behave. Tim, I promise, I'm looking after your car. Bump. Holy moly. This is yush like it. This is madness. Yes. Oh yeah. Not having a clue where we're at, what's coming around the corner, if it's okay, if it's allowed. Oh. So yeah. Man, that V12 up front is so on fire. It's honestly such a freaking sweet motor. Such a sweet motor. So let's park this car somewhere around here and then have a brief talk about it. We'll talk about the glory and joy of the F12 N-Largo. It's crazy how wide this car is. It feels like that inside, but just look at it on the outside. What a presence it actually has with that widened N-Largo body kit amalgamated seamlessly with the original one. Then also we've got carbon fiber bits everywhere, raining on this car. The front lip, the grille and carbon fiber here, that bit, these massive ducts that flow right through the fender, and then obviously the three-piece NF7. How do you guys like these wheels? What do you think about them? I feel personally that I really appreciate how we've kept on designing NF10, NF11. This is, in my opinion, a bit outdated. I'd love to hear your comments. Extremely wide side skirts, invisible carbon fiber, massive 22-inch in the back, and then you get to the rear of the car, which is honestly just whack. Super, super wide shoulders, wild and wide, as well the big carbon fiber wing on the back that is on the N-Largo, and when you have the S versions, it's seamlessly integrated, similar to what you have with the Competizione, the ducktail in there. And then also these guys I really miss with the rounded taillights and the carbon fiber rim around that. Also the housing for the exhaust system, which in this car is maddening, the sound, as you've heard before driving. And the fog light over there, those used to be actually quite cool. I mean, it's just a ridiculous car, this, because of the size, because of the sound, because of the way that it feels. I feel it's one of those iconic Ferraris, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about this grey. I mean, this is not a review. This is not introducing a brand new product. This is just us being out here and experiencing things, experiencing cars of the past, Novitec cars. And I must say, I'm very, very surprised just out here in this atrocious heat, how these cars deal with it. And they're still going. I mean, good couple of years old this already, and she still looks fantastic. Also love the fact that the two-toneness of the carbon fiber with the grey, it's not super evidential, but then when you see it, you kind of like, master goodness, that's very, very nice. Now, this powered by 6.3 litre naturally aspirated V12. It honestly is a butterwork. Just super, super sexy. The flappy paddle gearbox, giving you all the power to the rear wheels. Top speed 350 kilometers per hour. That's 781 horsepower. This thing revving up to a sky limit of somewhere around 9,000 RPMs. Who really cares? Because it's not trying to make a statement. It's made that statement, and it's in our box, and we love it. That concludes our video then as well. Here, the first one in Dubai, and if you haven't yet and you want to see some more of these and some of the crazy showrooms we're going to go and look at, then subscribe to our channel or follow us on TikTok or on Instagram. Me personally, Bjorn de Kok, Novitec at Novitec Group. I'll see you there.